Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY and others. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hours chart of Euro USD. And as usual, Euro USD is still trading in a range here, because if I zoom out the chart, okay, then we can easily see that this is a typical choppy market, pure choppy market. If you are an ardent supporter of Euro USD, if you are a fan of Euro USD, then you also know it very well that it's a range bound market right now. So 1.1350, 1.1380 is still, this level is still a valid resistance for the market. Okay, it is a valid resistance for the market, and on the downside we have 1.1300, 1.1280 is the support for the market. 1.1300, 1.1280 is the support for the market right now. Yesterday when market came down to this level, okay, if you have watched my previous videos, then hopefully you have taken a buy order. In fact, personally I have also taken a buy and I exited here. Anyways, if you have watched my previous video, then hopefully you have made good money yesterday. But the same range is still available and you can also keep on trading as long as you want. But the problem here is that, okay, there is a problem here. Sideways market, fine. So support at the top, resistance at the bottom, and as long as market is trading in a range here, we can keep on buying and selling. But the problem here is, you can see that market is unable, Euro USD is unable to cross the previous highs, and we can draw a channel here. Okay, you can draw a channel here. So there is a possibility that yes, after some time, okay, after some time, market may break this level and go down further. And as we all know, there is a correlation with the DXY dollar chart, and in dollar chart you can see that we have an upside channel, kind of an upside channel, and this setup looks bullish, though we have a resistance on dollar. But if, yes, listen to me carefully, if dollar breaks the resistance and starts going up, then definitely Euro USD will break the support and start going down. After all, this chart, okay, this chart made to work like a charm. Okay, always keep in mind, dollar up, Euro USD down, dollar down, Euro USD up. Okay, so they work like a charm. So, and as you can see that dollar is an uptrend right now, in the mood of going up right now. Okay, so if it breaks the resistance, we will see Euro is going down. But if it reverses from the resistance, if dollar fails to cross the resistance level, then again we will see Euro USD bouncing from the support level. So the levels for Euro USD still remains the same, 1.1300 to 1.1280 on the downside as support, and 1.1350 to 1.1380 as resistance. Okay, so you can take a buy here, you can take a sell here, but if you want, then you can also take an additional confirmation from the DXY chart, the chart of US dollar. Just make sure that whenever you are buying Euro USD, just check that dollar is under pressure, and whenever you are selling on Euro USD, just make sure that dollar is going up. That is just an additional confirmation, and if possible, try to trade on these levels only. And again, I'm saying, keep in mind that though the chart looks sideways, but we are seeing a downward channel on Euro USD and upward channel on dollar, so be careful.